Welcome. Today I will present to you my first big project for the Human Resources Management class. To begin with, I will briefly introduce the business I created to put context on what I have learned so far in this class. My company is called Mikey, and it simply gives ski and snow classes during the winter and wake surfing and wakeboarding classes during the summertime. Our headquarters are located in Stoneham, close to the ski station, the ski resort, with whom we are associated with. To begin with, our human resources team is built around a manager and the human resources professionals. Our manager has the responsibilities of designing work and jobs, promoting a great culture in the workplace, making hiring decisions, and many more. As of the human resources professionals, they assure a good connections between human resources strategies and business strategies, along with recruitment and strengthening employees' contributions. We are well aware of that technology is a big part of our future. This is why our human resources team works with the latest technology to make life easier for both our employees and clients. Climate change and the overall health of our planet is a number one priority to us as we are the generation who must make a difference to save our wonderful planet. Therefore, we offer our employee a $2,000 gift card for anyone who would want to buy a hybrid or fully electric car. This will encourage the reduction of CO2 released in our atmosphere. Human capital and talent management are important topics to touch here at Mickey's. We only hire people with great experience or driven individuals to make sure our team is phenomenal. We also require all coaches to attend a weekly class where they will further develop their skills. Diversity plays an important role in our culture. At Mikey's, we strongly believe that treating our employees the best way possible is good business investment. Thus, we offer our employees a 1 week paid vacation per year. They can choose from a variety of club meds all around the world to go visit with their families. Also, we built a gym and a basketball court in our headquarters to keep our employees in great shape, because we strongly believe a great health will improve our workers' performance. Finally, the company will organize events for every holiday of the year. These events will give the employees an opportunity to take a drink while catching up outside of the work environment. By doing this, we hope to build great connections between our staff in the goal of creating a good culture. We always, here at Mikey's, we always ensure we respect the rules in place by the two sets of legislations, both the federal and the provincial and territorial legislation. We also make sure we respect the Canada's Labor Code along with the Canadian Human Rights Act, due to the fact that we want our employees to feel as they were a family. We have a zero tolerance policies when it comes to harassment and discrimination between our workers, or between our managers and workers, between everyone, basically. We ask everyone to report any case of harassment or discrimination they might encounter while being either a victim or the observer. The way we then deal with it depends on the case, even though we provide a safe and healthy workplace for our employees, we provide monetary payment in case of illness or injury caused by the job, even though if that isn't a frequent case. Um, the way we treat our hiring process here is discrimination free. In addition, we respect our duty to accommodate by adjusting employment practices to avoid discrimination. Talking about responsibilities, our human resources team are demanded to respect many legislations, such as the employment standards legislation, the labor relations legislation, health and safety legislations, and many more. We succeed having equality in all aspects of the employment by hiring women, members of visible minorities, indigenous people, and persons with disabilities, who are also known as a designated group. This process is called employment equity. We also respect his close brother, pay equity. As for organizational ethics, we treat our people as individuals by creating an environment for success where they can feel at home. This aspect has a huge impact on our business for the best. First off, organizational culture has a powerful impact on the employees' attitude and overall health. The better the employees feel working, the better they will perform their jobs. And they then become dedicated to the company. To ensure the involvement of employees to the company, we try to involve them into the firm's decisions, making as often as possible. We provide weekly feedbacks on their performance at work. We also rotate employees to the easy jobs so they learn new skills and and do not get bored of doing of repeating the same thing all over again. We also offer employees control over their work in the sense of letting them manage their time and giving them flexible schedules. Opinions on staff and how we can make things better here at Mickey's are always welcome and will be given recognition for if the idea turned out to be a success. Our business is generating under the legal framework an objective to promote a health and safety culture. Responsibility is taken from all employees, employers, and managers. Here at Mikey's, we protect our employees by having safety programs. We create awareness towards possible risks on the job. And finally, we constantly study people's efficiency in our working environment. As mentioned before, we put emphasis on creating a stress-free work environment for our workers. Therefore, no sort of violence nor bullying will be tolerated in our establishments. We strongly believe that one waking up every morning with a smile on his face, knowing he will enjoy every bit of his day at work, is priceless. We do everything we can here to achieve this idea for everyone working for us by including employee assistance program, a psychiatrist on the call, a wellness programs, uh, along with uh, a private clinic that we are partnered with, where our employees can get medical care without the wait time nor the hospital cost. Also, a nutritionist is working full time for the company, making sure our coaches are in optimal shape and healthy because we strongly believe it has a direct impact on the quality of their lessons. Uh, to enforce a stress free workplace, we will consequently make sure our employees want to work for us longer, resulting in more experienced and trustworthy people working for the company. Because if we offer them a great workplace, they will not want to go work for another company, therefore building a great base of employees.